Learn how to quickly navigate the My Events page in OU Reserve. Begin by clicking the My Events link, which allows you to view both your current and past events. This page provides a convenient overview of your events along with the status of each one. Once you've located your event, click on the event name to open it. Here, you'll see all the bookings associated with that event. If you need to add more bookings, simply click the red Add Booking button. Should you need to change any event information, refer to the step-by-step instructions available in the user guide. If you need to adjust single or multiple bookings, just click the box next to each respective date. You'll notice the action bar presenting options to change or cancel the selected bookings. When you're ready to make changes, choose the option you desire to proceed. If your intention is to cancel the entire event, click the Cancel Event link. Doing so will cancel all bookings related to that event. For an overview of your entire request, which includes resources and pricing, click on the Request Summary link. To see the resources and details for each specific booking, click on the booking date. Any available change options will be visible at the top of the page for that particular booking. To modify booking information, follow the step-by-step instructions provided in the user guide. If you need to update resource details, click the box next to the desired resource or resources. This will activate the action bar with available options. You can also select all items by clicking the box at the top of the list. Need to add more resources to your booking? Click the red Add Resources button. If you need to cancel just a single booking, use the Cancel Booking link. Remember, the user guide is always available with step-by-step instructions on all these actions through the campus scheduling website.